In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple monitors on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do here, you can go anywhere, for example, charts or whatever you want to use here. Of course, it's completely up to you. And then you want to click on those three lines at the very top right. And when you do that, click on detach. When you click on detach, it's going to basically detach into a separate tab. And you can then move this to your second monitor and then just have it on there. And that's literally all you have to do. Now, you don't have to do this with a chart. You could go, for example, inside Market Watch, and you could detach this, and you could go ahead and move that over there, or of course, whatever you want. You could also go into charts, and you could create like a multi-grid over here, and you could, of course, just detach one specific one here, or just all of them, and let's say you could just like move them around. So yeah, that's how you do it. It's very, very simple. Just go inside a tab where you want to essentially detach, and you want to have it on your second monitor, do the detach, move it over, and that's all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.